This is Computer Insider, your daily technology fix with host Bob Pritchard.
Are you a dedicated Apple user? The one fact about Apple fans is that they're fanatical. Way back in the 80s when I started doing this show, Apple here in Canada was very reluctant to support media that wasn't totally dedicated to focusing on Apple product. But that didn't last after computers became pretty much a part of everyone's daily lives. Anyway, to the point of today's story, late last year, it was revealed that Apple was secretly slowing older iPhones to protect their batteries from excessive degradation. When the story broke, corporate head office apologized and instituted a battery replacement program. They cut the price of an out-of-warranty iPhone battery replacement for any iPhone 6 or later whose battery needed to be replaced by $64, cutting the price from $99 US to $35. So, all is good in paradise? Well, not really. Late last week, Tim Cook, chief honcho at Apple, stumbled when asked whether Apple might have failed to properly inform consumers about what was going on. Cook said that a lot of people may have missed the announcement. And why do you think that might be? Well, it's only speculation, but most consumers I know look to upgrade their equipment when they feel it's fallen off the technology mark. So probably it was a subtle nudge to Apple consumers to purchase new iPhones rather than holding on to what appeared to be older, slower models. By the way, it may not be worth rushing out to buy a replacement battery, as new iPhone 6 batteries, for example, reportedly won't be available until March.
You've been listening to Computer Insider, your daily technology fix with host Bob Pritchard. You can reach Bob by email at bob@computerinsider.org.